myself Madhuri Mani. I am presenting you my project a smartoscope which is under lab assistant category. So today we can see that science means related to the instruments which are used in the science for keeping the objects clear or keeping the whatever the content of the subject very clear. So now today we are going to learn one instrument which is very related to biology. So let's see that instrument, that is a microscope. Now exactly what is microscope? A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. As we know, when biologists term that the sections are coming, the plant section, animal section, they are very minute under the slide. So to observe that, we can't see with the normal eyes. So to observe that, we are using the microscope. In that microscope, a lens is there which helps us to observe that. Now let's see the diagram of the microscope. Here, this is the lens, this is arm, this is the base for the support, this is the body tube on which the objective lens are placed. The slide is placed over here on the stage, and this is the mirror where the light focuses and we can examine that particular slide. The minute section or the fine section of that slide we can see in a very clear way in the microscope. But this microscope which can be used only in the science laboratory. I have to get my students in the science laboratory, they come to the lab, they just observe the slide and they go back to the slide. Which is, I don't think which is sufficient for them. I want them something to involve in them. So I have discovered one microscope which is very similar to this microscope which is used in the laboratory. Let's see the smartoscope. So this is the smartoscope which I have discovered. Here you can see I have made a lens, a stand, a knob. This is the stage. This is the stand which on which the objective lens is placed, which is used by a very best plastic material. The lens has been placed, which is called as the objective lens. This lens which is easily available in the laser lights which you are using for playing. And this is the stage which is also made from the waste plastic. These are the knobs and the screw which you can easily get in the market, and this is the wooden piece which is there for the support. Now how this microscope works? Here you have to start the microscope, your phone and the camera. Here this I am calling it as a smartoscope because the microscope is made with the or you are working with the help of this smartphone. Okay, now let's see, the slide is been already placed. I have made the setting so that the slide can be easily seen. Here you can see when I zoom this slide, you can easily see the outer layer, that is the epithelium layer, and the inside cells. It is very clearly seen. So this is the working. Here you can replace the slide also. Now I am removing one slide. So I am removing these slides, and here I am taking these other slides, and we will place this is under this objective lens. The camera is on. You can see it is very easy to place. I can see the section which is there on the slides, and it is very easy to see. You just zoom in. You can see the xylem and phloem very clearly, the outer layer. For more clarification, you have to just adjust this knob and you can see it more clearly. Okay, like in the microscope, we are using the knob for adjusting that screw we are using. Similarly, in here also, this screws we have to adjust and we have to see this slide. So now for preserving purpose, if anyone want to keep this section, they want to take the photo, how we will do? Okay, let's see how we will do this photo. So you have to just take a picture and it will get saved in the gallery. When we will go back to the gallery, you can see that the picture which you have taken is already saved. This picture you can use for your project or in your journals or any science book, wherever the content is there, you have to pick the picture, you can use this. So this is the use of the smartphone. Let's see the advantage of it. Let's see the advantage. The smartoscope, which is very similar to the microscope, is very easy to handle. It's very easy to handle. The children can take in the hand, the teacher can take, and here only the fine adjustment we have to do, and the smartphone we have to use that thing. So it is very easy to handle. Made with the less material. As we have discussed, the material which has been used in this microscope, which is easily available in the market, like this great plastic material, this knob and this wooden piece, which is easily available in the market. So it is not expensive. Only the smartphone. On the smartphone is expensive, but it is easily available at home. Your parents are having, you too are having, so it can be used. Third point is As compared to the cost of microscope, it is very less low cost, around only 200 to 250 rupees. As we know, the microscope which are using in the science laboratory is costing around 2000 to 2500 rupees. As compared to that, it is very less, that is only 200 to 250, so that it is very affordable to everyone. The slide observation is done using smartphone. That's why we are calling it as a smartoscope. The best use of the smartphone is done. As you all know, when the children are getting the phone in the hand, they start playing or they will do something else. Instead of that, this is the best activity or the best way of using the smartphone, I think. No stress on the eyes. For observing the slide, the children have to give a stress to the eyes. If in case any experiment is there over there, they have to do slight adjustment on their own. So it is really very difficult, and for children it is really very difficult to adjust that microscope. For adult it is really okay. Student can prepare it at home with the help of the parents and can take the field of observation of slide, that is learning with activity. This is the main motto of my project, that I want to give my children something that is very affordable, they can do at home. The microscope which they are using in the school, it is only the purpose to come and see. But here they can do on their own. The parents are getting involved with them. So they can also help them, the children, to make it. And they get the observation, the feel of the observation of the slide. So this is can be termed as learning with the activity and also with the fun. Can take the picture of slide on cell phone. As I have shown, whatever slide we are observing, they can take the photo of that, they can use it in the project or in their science book for pasting it along with the content. So this is the use of the smartoscope. I think this is the best way to use the microscope, the best way to use the smartoscope, and the best thing I want to give to my children through this smartoscope is that they learn with the fun. That's it. Thank you.